Good morning, students. This is Jay Vishakan. For this session, I am going to solve a problem from ladder friction. Let me extract the given data from the question. Let me read out the question to extract the information. A 7-meter long ladder rests against a vertical wall. So length of the ladder is given as 7 meter. Is resting against a vertical wall which makes an angle of 45 degree on a floor, which is nothing but theta 45 degree. If a man whose weight is 1/2 of the ladder, so here the weight of the ladder is not given, therefore we consider weight of the ladder as W, and the man's weight is 1/2 of the ladder. So weight of the man equal to 1/2 of the ladder. So if ladder weight is W, then it should be half of the ladder weight. So therefore W by 2. At what distance about to slip? So when the man tries to climbs on the ladder, at what distance this particular ladder try to slip? So that is to find x distance. Clear? Take coefficient of friction between ladder and wall. So we usually take the point of contact at the top C. So I consider mu C as 1 by 3, which can be written as 0.33, and ladder and the floor is 1 by 2, which is nothing but ladder on the ground at the bottom of the ladder, which I used to consider point A. So mu A equal to 1 by 2, which can be written as 0.5. Solution. Since there is no diagram or sketch or pictorial view is given, so I am going to draw a rough sketch. From there we can draw the FBD. So this is how the ladder is resting. This is the vertical wall and this is floor or ground. This point is A, this point is B, and the topmost point is C. Now the total length of the ladder is 7 meter. The weight of the ladder acts at the center of the ladder and vertically downwards. Consider as W. .5 meter, and we don't know the distance from the top or bottom of the ladder is to the position of man is not given, so I assume somewhere here, which is W by 2, and the inclination is the angle of inclination of ladder is 45 degree. So this is what given in the drawing, in the question I have drawn based on the question. Now I am going to draw the FBD, free body diagram of the ladder. So this is the ladder. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Total length of the ladder is 7 meters. At 3.5 meter, the weight is acting. And at X distance, the man's weight is acting on the ladder. So I consider this distance as X from the bottom of the ladder. Right. When the man climbs on the ladder, this ladder slides down. That means it tends to move in the positive X direction. Therefore, the frictional force would be opposite of the moment, right? And this can be considered FA. There will be a normal reaction towards point A, which can be mentioned as NA. Similarly, here the ladder slides down, so the friction force would be opposite of the motion, which can be mentioned as Fc, and there is a normal reaction which can be mentioned as Nc, and the angle is 45 degree. So this distance, while taking the moment, we need to know the perpendicular distance, that is perpendicular distance. So I just consider this as D and this as E, and this as D dash and this as D dash. Now I am going to apply the equilibrium condition. Applying the equilibrium condition, which is nothing but summation h is equal to 0 and summation v equal to 0. Let me consider the horizontal forces first. Summation h is equal to 0. So 0 equal to, how many horizontal forces are there? 1, 2 forces are there. So NC, which is acting in the positive x direction, so NC, and FA, which is acting in the negative direction of negative x axis, FA. 0 is equal to NC minus FA can be written as mu A into NA. 0 equal to NC minus mu A is 0.5, so 0.5 NA. This can be rewritten as NC equal to 0.5 NA, right? Equation number 1. Now I am going to resolve the vertical forces. 0 equal to, how many vertical forces are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Fc, which is acting vertically upward, so carry the positive sign. W2 towards the negative y axis, so minus W by 2. This W acting vertically downward, so it carries negative symbol. NA, which is acting towards the positive y direction, so which carries the positive sign. 0 equal to, Fc is nothing but UC into NC, minus W by 2 minus W plus NA. Zero equal to, mu c value is 0.33. Substitute this value, NC is equal to 0.5 NA. 0.5 NA minus W by 2 minus W plus NA, which is equal to 0.33 into 0.5, 0.165 NA minus W by 2 minus W plus NA. I take the W by 2 and W in the left hand direction, so W by 2 plus W equal to 1.165 NA. If I do the cross multiplication, so W plus 2W by 2 equal to 1.165 NA. So which is 3W by 2 equal to 1.165 NA. Therefore NA equal to 3W by 2 into 1.165. So therefore NA equal to 3 divided by 2 into 1.165. 1.29. So 1.29 W. So equation number 2. Now I am going to take the moment about point A. Moment about A. Summation MA equal to 0. So 0 equal to, when I take this force moment about A, this rotates in anti-clockwise direction, therefore minus W, and its perpendicular distance is AE. And this force W by 2, which again rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, minus W by 2 into AD, distance AD. Now the reaction which rotates in the clockwise direction and its perpendicular distance is BC. Its perpendicular distance, that is BC. And this FC, which rotates in the positive direction, that is clockwise direction, FC into its perpendicular distance is nothing but BA. Let us consider this as equation 3. Now I need to find the perpendicular distance, for which what I am going to do is I am going to find the value of the perpendicular distance from the drawing. So first I am going to consider this triangle BAC. Triangle BAC. This is C, this is B, and this is A, and 45 degree. The total length is 7 meter. Now I want the distance of BC. So sine 45 equal to BC by 7. Therefore BC equal to sine 45 into 7. Sine 45 into 7, which is 4.95 meter. Now I want the distance of AB. So cos 45 equal to, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is 7. Therefore AB equal to cos 45 is cos 45 into 7. So 4.95 meter. Now I need to find the distance of AE, for which I consider this triangle EAE dash. EAE dash. This is 45 degree. This is AEE dash. The distance of AE dash is 3.5 meters. I want the distance of AE. So cos 45. So just equal to adjacent side is AE by hypotenuse is 3.5. Therefore AE equal to cos 45 into 3.5, which works out 2.47 meter. Now I want to find the distance of AD, for which I am going to consider the triangle of DAD dash. So the angle of ladder is 45 degree. This is A, this is D, and this is D dash. The distance is X. Between A and D is X distance. I want the distance of AD. So cos 45 equal to AD by hypotenuse is X. So therefore AD equal to cos 45 is 0.71. So X. Right? Now substitute these values on equation 3. Substitute these values on equation number 3. 0 equal to minus W into AE is 2.47. Minus W by 2 into AD. AD is 0.71 x plus NC. NC is 0.5 NA. NC is 0.5 NA. Into BC. BC is 4.95 plus FC. FC is nothing but UC into NC. BA value is 4.95. 4.95. 0 equal to 2.47 W minus. Then minus 0.71 divided by 2, which is 0.355 W x plus 0.5 NA. 0.5 into 4.9. NA is 1.29 W into 4.95 plus mu C. The value of mu C is 0.33. Mu C is 0.33. NC is 0.5 NA into 4.95. 0 equal to minus 2.4 W minus 0.355 W x plus 0.5 into 1.29 into 4.95. 3.19 W plus 0.33 into 0.5 into 4.95. 0.816 NA. So NA is 1.29 W. Substitute that value. Minus 2.47 W minus 3.55 W x plus 3.19 W plus 0.1816 into 1.29 W. 0 equal to W 0.816 into 1.29, which is 1.05 plus 3.19 minus 2.47. So 1.77 W minus 0.355 W x. Take this value in the left hand side. So 0.355 W x equal to 1.77 W. Therefore, x equal to 1.77 W divided by 3.35 W. Therefore, x value is 1.77 divided by 0.355, which is 4.99. So 4.99 meter. So at the distance of 4.99, when the man climbs on the ladder slips down. So I found the value of x distance, the distance of the slip. Distance about to slip is 4.99 meter. Thank you.